How do you experience the meat show this year?
The meat show, it's the first time here for us. We've never really had the time to come before, but the meat show's been really exciting to see all the different products that Marel do in one room. It's really given us a real insight into what Marel's all about.
What kind of productions do you run?
We're a catering butchers back in the UK, so most of what we do is all buffet box and a lot of mixed different products.
You are one of the first Innova customers in the UK. What's your story about Innova?
Yeah, that's correct. We originally bought a steak cutting line off yourselves, and then we were introduced into Innova 2006 to 2007. And for us, we were looking for a system that we could basically get multi-box, buffet box orders out very, very quickly and efficiently without mistakes. So when we were first introduced Innova and what it was capable of doing, we were very, very keen to see it and have it basically installed within the factory. But what we actually installed the back end, because at the time we were a relatively small company and it was a really big cost for us, but we couldn't actually guarantee what the savings were going to be. But back then we were probably working 16, 17-hour days. Most of the lads who work for us were certainly working a minimum 12-hour days, and currently now we work no more than an 8-hour shift, and that's all really down to the thanks of Innova, streamlining everything we do and stopping mistakes that maybe have been happening over the last 10 years.
How do you see the innovation in this industry evolve in the next few years?
Everything's moving so fast, you know, at the end of the day we all buy product at the same price, and it's what we do with it in between that gives you a cheap product. So the innovation, it's huge, and things are moving so quick, and if you don't invest in technology, unfortunately, you know, we believe you're going to get left behind.
Yeah, the meat industry, there are opportunities within the meat industry to move forward.
There's massive opportunities, definitely, you know, you get out something what you put into it. And it was like the Innova, when we put it in, we invested a lot of time, and that was the main thing. The commitment has to come from the top to filter down, otherwise it's like most projects, they don't work from day one. Well, you've got to put the time into it and make it work for yourself.